A very good morning, class. So today we will discuss regarding the life of the people, those who are living in the land of snow, that is the Greenland, right? So the Inuits, I'll show you the picture that how, basically how does the Inuits looks like. So this is an Inuit family, and the Inuits, which are also called as Eskimos, they basically have come from the Greenland, from North America, and have settled many years ago over here. So over the time, they have basically adapted themselves to this harsh climate of Greenland. So how do they basically look? The Inuits are short and stout. They have flat faces, narrow eyes, and copper yellow skin. They wear clothes that are made up of the skin of seals, and the jackets have hoods to cover their heads, right? So they generally wear double trouser and high boots that are also made of the skin of seals so that they can keep themselves warm. Now, where do they basically live? See, in winter the Inuits live in igloos, right? So basically the people who live in this extreme north built snow houses, or which are also known as igloos, they basically live here in the winter season, right? So they use large blocks of ice to construct them. The igloos are dome shaped, if you can see, right? And a hole is made in the center of the dome so that it can basically allow the smoke or the hot air to pass. A hole is made in the center of the dome so that it can basically allow the smoke or the hot air to pass through it. And even the floor is covered with the skin or furs of animal, right? And during the summer, the people live in tents that are made up of animal hide. Now, here we'll discuss that basically how the Inuits are. So they are very hardworking and cheerful. And you know, from hundreds of years, they have lived by hunting and fishing, and also by gathering roots during the summers and the spring season. Right? Because earlier we have discussed that during the winter season, there is no farming or no crops are basically grown. So a bit of flowers are grown in the spring season, or very less things are grown in the summer season. So in the past years, they have got most of the things they needed by hunting animals, and nowadays they can buy goods that are bought from the other countries. Okay. So now we'll discuss regarding the occupation of the Inuits. So they are skilled fishermen and hunters, right? So they basically hunt animals for their meat, skin, and even their fat. So earlier what they used to do is that they used to use a weapon known as harpoons to hunt animals, and now they use automatic rifles. Now basically what harpoons are, so it is basically a weapon like spear, like a spear, right, with a rope attached to it, which are basically used for hunting animals. So the Inuits, they use small boats to hunt sea animals, right? So they are also used to hunt whales. So these boats are used for even transportation on land. Inuits use sledges. So the basic lifestyle of Inuits have undergone many changes in recent time, and now they use motorboats and motorized sledges. So I'll show you the picture. So these are the motorboats that are used instead of the traditional boats, and many people have also, you know, started working in mines and oil fields. So a large number of Inuits have migrated to the towns and cities, right? So next we will discuss regarding the cities. See. So this is the settlement along the coast of Greenland. So a thick sheet of ice has restricted the settlement to the coastal areas, and there are very few large towns in Greenland. So the total population of Greenland is about 56,000, and Nuuk, N-U-U-K, is the capital of the Greenland. So this is the basic settlement, right? So students, I hope you have understood this chapter, right? So I will be sending you the question answers. Kindly do the question answers in your notebook.